Yun, welcome back to my YouTube channel mga kapilingon. Kakanta tayo uli mga kapilingon ng The Sound of Silence habang si Pilingon is on duty para pangpalipas oras because I love singing but singing is doesn't love me. Ayan. So, kakanta tayo. Ito na mga kapilingon, kinang bahalang humusga. I come to talk with you again because the visions of fleeting let the seeds while I was sleeping and that is far that is planted and my breath still remains red in the stars of silence. In restless dreams I woke alone, nights to the cobblestone, made a hello of a street light. I found my collar to the cold and ground. When my eyes were struck by the flash of a lion light. And hope you like it guys. Thank you so much once again. Bye and God bless everyone.